Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that was built in 2016. It is located in Drax Hall Manor, St. Anne, which is a great place to live. It is close to beaches and modern conveniences. The Drax Hall Plaza is only 3 minutes away, with access to businesses such as Starbucks, KFC, Pizza Hut, Devon House Ice Cream, Knutsford Express, and much more. The property is elegantly furnished, well maintained, and offers comfort and convenience, perfect for families or professionals. Key features include ensuite master bedroom, fully air conditioned with split AC units, large covered back porch, ideal for entertaining, front porch for added charm, ample closet space, plus additional storage. House is fully meshed and grilled for security. There is a covered carport for added convenience. This home is move-in ready and designed for easy, relaxed living. Please call for an appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is US 2,000, Jamaican 315.5 thousand, Canadian 2,863, Euro 1,837, or £1,554. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.